Hello viewers, welcome you all to Revamp YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to see about Indian Institute of Technology Delhi. There is an admission notification for PhD and then MTech, ME and then MSc in economics and then cognitive sciences. So we are going to see in the detail. So here the institute is located in Ascas, Delhi. It will be connected with metro, so like Delhi metro, it is connected to you, so you can get easily access to the campus, and more or less it is a capital for India, so it will be quite good that you will be placed into such a institute. So here will be application will be open from 2nd of March, so till 30th March you can apply. In the description box I will give the link, so through that you can apply it through online. So here let us see the departments. There are some 15 departments and then 8 schools and 5 various centers which is offering PhD. So other than that there are some interdisciplinary specialization also there. So here come to the PhD department. So it is in applied mechanics and then electronics, so energy studies and then biomedical and development studies and then rural development technological studies, so value education engineering. So these are all some streams under the departments. So when we comes to the humanities and social sciences, so we'll get the psychology and then sociology and cognitive sciences are there. So apart from that, here the same streams MTechs also available. So specifically IIT Delhi, they have started a new MSc program, so which is MSc in economics along with cognitive science and masters in designing studies. So they are offering this also. So if you have qualified GATE, CAT, CSR net or else UGC net, so it will be more preferable that you can get a good stipend. So here the stipend will be about 20,000. So that will be a good opportunity that if you get placed into IIT Delhi. So to get more admission notifications for PhD, UG, PG and then certificate courses, internships along with international conferences. So if you want to get more videos and updates, then please do subscribe to Revamp YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you will get instant video updates. Thank you.